Hello students, how are you? Hope you are safe and healthy at your homes. Students, I am your maths teacher Mrs. Monica Sharma from California Public School. Today we will do the sums of exercise 2.4. So students, watch this video carefully and understand the concept carefully. And here we start. Yes students, in exercise 2.4 the sums are relating to the properties of addition. Yes, see these carefully. First sum, fill in the blanks using order property. What is the order property of the addition? This you can understand with the help of these examples. Yes, see here. Here is first part, 2349 plus 5927. If we will add these both, yes, their sum will be is equal to which number's sum? Here you can see 2349 is written firstly, but here in the second side of the is equal to symbol, second side 5927 is written. So what will be there in the blank? We will write 2349. This is the order property. Order property means if we add these both, means firstly we will write 2349 plus then 5927. The sum that we will get, that will be is equal to the sum when we will add these. If we write 5927 firstly, yes, and afterwards we are writing 2349, we will get, in both cases we will get the same sums. Means what, whether the order of the numbers is different, but we will get the same sums here. Yes, this you can also see in part B. Yes, 1573 plus 7225 is equal to order. Here order is changed. Here firstly 1573 is written. Now we will write 7225. Yes, now see C part, this you will do by yourself, and D part you will also do by yourself. Now see next, fill in the blanks. Here again order property plus grouping property. Yes, if we are adding these both numbers and afterwards we are adding 160, we will get same answer when we will add here 357 plus 160. If we add these both firstly, and in the answer of these addition we are adding 5423, we will get same sum as we will get here. Yes, now you can see 1111 plus 2222 plus 3333, and here on this side what is missing? Here is 1111. Yes, now 1252 plus 1917 plus third number is missing here, and you can also see here 1917 plus 2325. Here is the order property and grouping property. Yes, what you can see here, what number is missing here? 3 numbers should be here. 1252 is there. On the other side 1252 is not there, so we will write here 1252. Yes, and now you can see here are the 3 numbers. This is the grouping property. Both the additions must be same because is equal to symbol is there. So here which number will be written? 1252 is there. Yes, 1917 is also there. This side which number is not there? 2325. And you can see on the both sides same numbers are there. Yes, so here in D part 2533 plus 4753 plus 2915. Here you can see which number is missing. Yes, you can see 2533 will be here. Yes, now next is property of 0. Yes, you can see here what is added here, 3173. What should be added here? Then there is no change in the number. Yes, 3173, what is added in this number so that the sum is remains same. Yes, then what will be there? Here 0 will be added, then the sum will remain same, there will be no change in the sum. Yes, and in B part, yes, What is added in 1573? So the answer is 1573. Here again 0. In this way the answer will remain same. Yes. Now C and D part you will do by yourself. Now solve the following. Sum number 4. Yes, how we will do this? Here you can see there are the sums according to the grouping. Yes, part A, part B and part C. 3 additions are there. What do you observe? In the last what is written, what do you observe? Firstly we will do the calculations, then we will see what is the observation afterwards. Yes, see how we will solve this. A part is there, 2312 plus 4592 plus 133. Yes, here the bracket means firstly we will add these both. Yes, ones, tens, 100, 1000. We will add these both. Yes, 2000 like this, then 4592. 4592. Bracket means firstly we will add these two numbers. Yes, that's why we are adding these two numbers firstly. 2 and 2, 4, 9 and 1, 10, 1 again carry, 5, 3 and 1, 4 and 5, 9, 4 and 2, 6. We got 6904. And again there is one more addition, 133. We will add 133. Yes, 4 and 3, 7, here 3, 9 and 1, 10, again 1 carry, here will be 7. We got 7037. This is case A. Yes, now B is there. What is B part? 2312 plus 4592 plus 133. Yes. Now bracket is here, two numbers are in this bracket, so we will add these two numbers firstly. We will write the places, ones, tens, 100, 1000. Yes, 4592 plus 133. 3 and 2, 5, 9 and 3, 12, 1 carry, 5 and 1, 6 and 1, 7, and this 4 will be written as it is. Now one more number is there to add, that is 2312. We will add this 2312. Yes, 5 and 2, 7, 2 and 1, 3, 7 and 3, 10, 1 carry, 4 and 1, 5 and 2, 7. We got 7037. Yes, now one more case is there, that is part C. What is there? What is the statement there? 2312 plus 133, these both are in bracket, plus 4592. Firstly we will do the addition of the bracket numbers. Yes, ones, tens, 100, 1000. 2312 plus 133. Yes, 3 and 2, 5, 3 and 1, 4, 3 and 1, 4, here 2. The next is 4592. This also we will add. Then what we will get? 5 and 2, 7, 9 and 4, 13, 1 carry, 4 and 1, 5 and 5, 10, 1 carry, 2 and 1, 3 and 4, 7. Here we have added same numbers but according to different orders, according to different groups. And here in first sum, first part you can see 7037, second 7037, third case 7037. Then here we have to write our observation. What is the observation? That whether the grouping of the number changed, means firstly first two numbers were grouped, then first and third numbers were grouped, means brackets were put. Yes, then these both were grouped, after that this third number is added. Whether the grouping of the numbers change but their addition, their sum will remain same. This is our observation. Yes, Hope you have understood. Students, do all these sums in your maths notebook. For your have a beautiful day ahead. Thank you.